Got him. Got it. Brand new. Got the light on. Those who don't have the ps5, it's okay. No, it's hard. Thanks to the scalpers. No, thanks to the scalpers. But I got mine luckily because my birthday. And I got mine luckily because the guy that was selling it for asked for a lot more than what I paid for. So, yeah, I'm a big kid with a little boy mind. But you know what? Live life.
Okay.
Like I said, my birthday. So, my fiance is the one that bought this for me. Thank her so much. Because I love her. She loves me. Ooh, look at this controller. Ready to touch it, babe, for the first time? I'll let you do the honor.
Ooh.
Shit's sexy, ain't it? That shit's sexy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Shit's sexy. Ooh. Go. Go. You ain't gonna ruin my video, girl. Alright, let me get to the best thing in the world. Damn it, Hazel.
Oh, damn it.
What? Go.
No.
Get out that box. You always want to be in some box. Ew, another box. Maybe expensive. There it is. Damn, it's heavy. Ugh. Well, yeah, it's pretty heavy. Jesus, PlayStation. Hold on, I got this. Yeah. Should rip. Might be alright. I'm playing the box, playing the system. Sorry for the delay. The box is gay. Alright. I don't want to rip the box anymore, but yeah. Not Gucci. Oh man. It's gonna bother me if I don't do it now. Babe said do that later. She's trying to get a nap. Here it is. Whew. It's heavy. Damn. That's what everybody fighting for. Why? This version, PlayStation 5. Sexy. Shit heavy, like 10 pounds. That's conclude our video. Love you, baby. Thank you. thing is huge.